Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Happy Sunday. So today I have a Walgreens haul for you guys. These deals started today, which is Sunday, January 21st, and they are good all the way up until Saturday, January 27th. But before I get into these deals, if you are new to my channel and you are not currently subscribed to me, I would really appreciate if you will go ahead and click that red subscribe button along with the notification bell so that you will be aware of each and every time that I upload new videos. With that being said, let's go ahead and get right into these deals. Okay, you guys, so on this account, I am working with a digital spin booster, get $5 when you spend $20, and a paper spin booster, get $7 when you spend $40. So first up, I went ahead and I grabbed two of these Always Radiant pads. And these are buy one, get one 50% off at Walgreens this week. My first box rang up at $9.99, and the second box rang up half off at $4.99. So total for both came out to be $14.98. With this deal, when you buy two, you will receive back a $5 store coupon. But with this particular deal, two $5 store coupons are printed. So your total is going to be $14.98. I did have a $3 digital coupon on the Walgreens app, so $14.98 minus that $3 digital coupon that I used, that brought my total down to $11.98. Then this $5 store coupon printed for me. It says save $5 off your next sanitary, weight management, or vitamin purchase, but you can use this on other items in the store. And then also this $5 register reward printed off as well. So two are printing off, bringing the total down to just $1.98 for both, or it makes each one 99 cents. So this is a really good deal to do this week. And then next up, I went ahead and I grabbed two of the Gillette Shave Foam Gels, and these are buy one get one 50% off at Walgreens as well. I purchased two. The deal is when you buy two, you will receive a $5 registry reward. So my first bottle rang up at $3.49, and my second bottle rang up half off at $1.74, totaling $5.23 for both. I did receive back my $5 registry reward for purchasing two, bringing my total down to just 23 cents for both. And then next up, I went ahead and I grabbed two Dawn dish soaps, and these are priced at Walgreens this week for $1.24. The deal is when you buy two, you will receive back a $1 registry reward. So you're going to want to purchase two at $1.24. That's going to bring your total to $2.48. And then you will receive back this $1 registry reward for purchasing two, bringing your total down to $1.48 for both, or it'll make each one just 74 cents. And then I also grabbed two of these Hershey bars because this is one of my favorite candies. No special deal for these or any coupons or anything. These were just $2, two for $2. So when I was in line waiting to go to the cash register, I noticed these and I was like, you know what, let me just go ahead and grab two. So I just grabbed two of those. And then lastly, I grabbed Gain Liquid, Gain Flings, Tide Liquid, and Tide Pods. So for those four items, they are all priced at $5.49. The deal is when you buy four, you will receive back a $5 registry reward. So you're going to want to purchase four at $5.49. There is a $1.50 digital coupon for the Gain Liquid, a $1.50 digital coupon for the Gain Flings, a $1.50 digital coupon for the Tide Liquid, and also a $1.50 digital coupon for the Tide Pods. So that's a total of $6 in digital coupons. So $21.96 minus the $6 in digital coupons, that brought my total down to $15.96 for all four. And then I did receive back my $5 registry reward for purchasing four, bringing my grand total down to $10.96 for all four, or it makes each one $2.74. So that is everything that I got in this transaction. Now in this transaction, Everything worked well for me. All of my registry rewards printed, my digital coupon. I only used one digital coupon, and that digital coupon did come off for me. But I did have one issue. And that one issue was that my paper spin booster, I did not get credited for that on my account. Not quite sure why, because my paper spin booster was for get $7 when you spend 40. I spent well over $40 in this transaction. The cashier did scan it. That was the first coupon that she scanned for me. So I have no idea why I did not receive the $7 back, and I did not use any Walgreens cash. So that was a little bit weird for me, but I did contact customer service and they did credit my account for that. So let me go ahead and show you guys my receipt. So there's the Always pads at $9.99. The second one half off at $4.99. The Gillette foam, one at $3.49. The second one at $1.74. Both of my Hershey candy bars, 2 Dawn dish soaps, my Gain, Tide, and Gain. And then right here, normally it would show point coupon purchase, and that would be for the paper spin boosters, but on this receipt, for some strange reason, it's not showing on here, but she did in fact scan it. In this transaction, I also used 4 registry rewards. I used 2 $3 registry rewards and 2 $5 registry rewards, totaling $16. My $3 digital coupon for the Always came off, and all of my $1.50 digitals for the Tide and Gain came off. So my subtotal came out to be $21.65, but of course I do have to factor back in the $16 in registry rewards that I used. So $21.65 plus the $16 in registry rewards, that brought my actual total to $37.65. And then when you look down here where it says earned this visit, I did earn back $5.46, but of course I was supposed to earn $12.46, the $7 for my paper spin booster. So $37.65 minus the $5.46 that I got back, that brought my total down to $32.19. And then I did receive back my $21 in registry rewards, 2 $5 store coupons for the Always pads, a $5 registry reward for my Gillette, $5 for the Gain and Tide, and then my $1 for the Done. So $32.19 minus those $21 in registry rewards, that brought my total down to $11.19. But then I did contact customer service. Now keep in mind, contacting customer service for a paper spin booster not attaching, that's like a hit or miss. But I decided to try. I always try. They're either going to tell me yes or they're going to tell me no. So I tried, and luckily for me, they did credit the $7 to my account. So $11.19 minus the $7 that I received back from customer service, that brought my grand total down to just $4.19 for everything that you see here, you guys, which is an amazing deal. All of this stuff for less than $5. This was a great transaction for me. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, because it really does help out my channel. And also let me know down in the comment section what you all are getting from Walgreens this week. So once again, that is it. Oh, don't forget to submit your receipts to Fetch Rewards. I did submit my receipts and I got 25 points back. So if you are not using Fetch Rewards, I will have that link down in the description box below, along with my code on the screen for you. When you sign up using my code, you will receive 2,000 points. So that is going to be it, you guys. Once again, please give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you all in my next one.